Wow, perfect timing. The timer just turned the pump back on, and the large flood and drain grow bed up is filling back up again. Beautiful. And here's my aloe vera again. Beautiful. All these plants growing in here. It's nice to build a automated micro food forest that waters itself and all that. I don't have to do anything. Everything's on timers. Everything's powered by solar. All off grid. Saving lots and lots of water. Everything's being recycled. Growing lots of food. And as you were saying before, I started plumbing my second flood and large flood and drain grow bed, just like this one. I have it all plumbed now, plumbed up, and that one's waiting to go in my hoop house number 1. This is hoop house number 2, and next to this one is a third hoop house. So I have 3 hoop houses with my large aquaponics systems in. 3 large systems. Now, beautiful. Here is the second large flood and drain grow bed. I plumbed up the ebb and flow valves on here. You saw that. And this one is just waiting to go into aquaponics number 1, large, next to this one. This is my second large flood and drain grow bed. Then I have one more that's bigger than both these. Yep, I have one more that is bigger than these 2, and that very, very large one will go in the third hoop house. So my plan is to have them all new grow beds up, all and running before January is over with. That's my plan, because my goal is to have everything completed and done before spring even comes. It's all a journey. Growing food the way I want to grow food. It's a beautiful first day of 2026. It's Thursday. It's bright. Good sun. I think it's 71 degrees Fahrenheit now in the afternoon. I think it's about 2:30. No, I'm saying it's probably about 2 o'clock. Look at my time again. So as this bed fills back up again, this will run for about 30 minutes. Water all the plants, and the timer will shut off, and it will drain back down again. The journey continues in 2026, growing food the way I want to grow food. Looking forward to growing a whole lot more kinds of food. I'm looking forward to growing my own corn, my own root crops, my own ginger, small potatoes, variety of potatoes I like, onions, turmeric, and so forth in these large grow beds. Until next time, grow some food, y'all.